thinking about how I made money last winter, and I gotta say, I make some pretty quick cash. That's why I get excited every winter, because I know I can make some money. So if you want to learn what I did and how much you can make, be sure to watch all the way through the video. So the winter money making hustle I'm talking about is, drum roll please, shoveling snow. It's a simple task that can make you a quick easy buck. Shoveling snow is almost always in demand during winter. Well, unless you don't get snow. But the point is, you can probably find someone's driveway to shovel. This is very helpful for people under 16 who can't get a traditional job or don't feel like getting a work permit. When I shovel snow, I will usually make around $45 on a regular day and around $90 on a good one. Keep in mind, I had a partner with 50-50 split. Overall, it really depends on how hard you're willing to work. All the equipment used for shoveling snow is pretty bare. You're gonna need a snow shovel, and that's it. Oh yeah, some PPE such as gloves, coats, and boots. It's really as simple as that. Unless you get a snowblower, then it'll be snow blowing, not snow shoveling. When finding a place to look, you can pretty much go anywhere. I recommend where retired or older people live at, as they are usually happy to see teens and kids hustling, and will often accept your request. So how much should you charge? Before I get to that, I need you to know that being respectful, smiling, and speaking in a positive tone will please the customer, especially older ones. They will often give you a tip if you do. When finding out how much you should charge, I recommend charging anywhere from $25 to $45, depending on the driveway. You can even charge for extra services like walkways and getting snow off cars. You can honestly earn a lot of money. If you charge $30 and do 6 houses, that's $180. Here are a few tips I have regarding shoveling snow. When there's a lot of snow, be sure to shovel in sections. This makes sure you're not pushing too much snow around. If the customer lowers the price, don't just say yes. Try to stick to the original price as much as possible. It will often come right back up after you say no. To gain more customers, go out when there's no or very little snowfall. Customers are more likely to say yes if it won't snow anymore. If you don't find any more customers in your area, go to a different neighborhood.
I forgot to mention this one while I was animating, but you want to be the first ones out there because you gotta remember, there are going to be others who are doing the same exact thing you are.
Overall, shoveling snow can earn you a lot of money. If you have the hustle, with the right equipment, you got this.